Da 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 da. Guys, this is the VSBNZXS artificial greenery stem box set. There's 11 different kinds of honestly very realistic but very beautiful looking different flowers and plants. I'm just going to show you all 11 of them so you can really get a vibe. And then I'm going to tell you a little bit more about them, which I think the way they really send this to you is very cool. Makes it very easy to just use and like get artistic with it. And you're going to see why in a second. So many cool different kinds of plants. You can make an extremely cool bouquet. There's the 11th one. So what you have is you've got some ribbon here that could be nice to wrap it around. And then you also have some tape. So what you can do is every kind has their kind all is like kind of like zip tied together with one of these. So what you can do is you can take these apart and you can actually create your own bouquet with different types of the different plants. You can put them all together and then you can use this tape to wrap them up so they're all gathered together in a bouquet. So this allows you to, instead of just having all the plants in one area, you can just kind of like artistically place them around it and kind of make it look like your own cool creation. Like I said, you have the ribbon and the tape. I think this is great for weddings. This is also great for just like floral arrangements on tables. This is great for just sprucing up your dining room, your living room, your kitchen. Honestly, you could even spruce up your bathroom with this. This is great for sprucing up your office too. I think plants are vibes. And there's a lot of peace with plants. And so I think there's a lot of peace here, and you can be artistic too. And art being, art. All right, guys. So we're here with my mom, and she just made the bouquet. So it's a nice little way for her to express herself. She loves flowers. And do you have anything you'd like to say?
It's just a nice variety and easy to put together.
It's kind of like a nice little
Pretty.
art project.
Yeah, I
Kind of
like it.
kind of feels cool. So for weddings, I would say unfortunately even funerals, any
Any
scenario,
occasion.
any occasion, any occasion, get it.